Right. Come on, boys. It's a bit disconcerting lying here with the people flying past you probably at the best part of 25 miles an hour. But you know, these are the things that I do for my mates. Just hope they do the same for me. There is a lot of faffing. Come on, boys. It's not the Moulin Rouge. Go. Don't go, blimey. Being very assertive there. Big Stu at the back. Oh, this could get very messy. Oh well, that was a complete failure. What happened there, Laurie?
Bellows at the front.
That's what you call a brace of twats. They got all of 15 feet. Quality.
Bellows at the front.
If that was an Olympic sport, they would be last. Right, carnage. Just looks like they're all looking for a bit of a sit down now. Right, take two coming up.